I'm back with an LED dash light update, and I'm pretty excited about the ones that we found, the ones that I'm now going to be selling. The light is amazing. Look, I've got it shining away from me on the bench. Look at how bright it is. But what's really interesting is the heat, okay? Now I've had these plugged in, I think, for about 30 minutes. So we're going to take the heat gun here, and we're going to check the back. Okay, I'm going to go right around the bulb holder. 73, 79, probably an average of 85 to 90 degrees right in there. So this, if you touch the back now of this plastic, it's just kind of like body temperature. It's not. Now, if you do touch the ends of the bulbs, they're warm, but they're not going to burn your finger like those incandescent bulbs. Now I'm going to stick it into the cluster housing, and then I'm going to turn it around and show you the light. You know, this is kind of hard to see when I have all the shop lights on. Now I'm going to turn these around and shine them at the camera. It'll probably foul up the exposure, but look at that light. Isn't that amazing? And it's just the right color of warm white that I like personally. I know I'm in the shop and it's kind of hard to simulate this in the car when it's dark out, but at least I put this back in this cluster, and I'm going to tip it over and see if you can see the color of the light, okay? Now you might say, well, that's not that bright, but remember, we're in the shop here and there's still residual light here. So this doesn't overpower you. You know, you can get out there and you can dim this down, and they dim very well. I'm really impressed with these bulbs. So be sure and check these out on my website. They'll be available to ship right now. I almost forgot to mention this. I've got 5 sets of these orange bulbs that I've been playing around with, and I'm going to put them up on special, on sale. And I would like 5 viewers to purchase these, and I'll give you a deal if you report back what you think of them. I'd really like to get some feedback from some other people, because everybody has their own preference when it comes to lighting. The other thing I wanted to mention is these sockets sometimes do not make good contact, and we're not able to buy these new, but I do have a number of these available good used on my website. So if you're having problems with one of these sockets that you see here, then be sure and check those out on my website as well. But enjoy your night driving, and I'm sure if you haven't tried them, you're going to love LED lights.